Miss Vanderbilt,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my son, he's 6 years old, and Damien, I'm actually bringing him to court because he hasn't paid child support in the last 3 years.
Okay.
And our son is 6, like I was saying.
Okay. Is that it? Does the child live with you?
He lives with me, and so I haven't had any kind of help. And whenever I call him to come get his son, he says he's going to come, but he doesn't show up. And so I'm here to get money for him
Okay.
to help take care of our son.
Okay, where is this Damien?
No.
No, ma'am.
Who are you?
I'm his wife.
Okay, that's great. But why are you here?
Because he's out there building the bridge of Gibraltar. He's an engineer.
Right, but this is his child, right?
Before we step inside this explosive courtroom drama, make sure you hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who loves real courtroom chaos. Because today's case is not just about unpaid child support. It's about ego, betrayal, and priorities. A 6-year-old boy stands at the center of a 3-year financial silence. The mother says she's been alone in raising him. The father? Missing in action. But the real twist begins when someone unexpected walks into court to speak on his behalf. Stay with me, because this story spirals fast.
Yes.
So this has nothing to do with you. So I'm confused as to why you're present today.
Oh, just to handle the current situation.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll be cute. You're going to help him just right. All
Yeah.
right. So he's building what now?
The bridge of Gibraltar over in Italy.
Oh. How much is he making for building this bridge?
I think easily like 80,000 just
80?
for that.
80,000 just for that?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very important.
Oh, very important, right. Okay, according to what you submitted on his behalf, he makes about $104,000.
That sounds about right.
That sounds about right? Mm-hmm.
Can't
That's
pay
a
for
nice
his
ring you
child.
have on.
Oh, thank you.
Is that new? He just bought that?
Yeah.
The mother, Miss Vanderbilt, wastes no time. She tells the judge her son hasn't received child support in 3 years. 3 years of no financial help. 3 years of broken promises. She says whenever she calls the father to see his child, he claims he's coming, but never shows. The child lives fully under her care. No shared responsibility. No steady support. The courtroom listens as she calmly explains she's not asking for revenge. She's asking for help to raise their 6-year-old son. The tension builds as the judge prepares to hear from the other side.
Oh, okay, great. Interesting. Okay. Anything, do you all have any kids or anything?
Yes, we have 2 kids together.
2 kids, okay.
Cheated on me with her.
Excuse me?
I was saying he cheated on me with her.
Are you mad? Are you little mad or big mad?
I think I'm big mad.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Well,
because
you know what? You're going to have to get over it because this is not a therapy court, okay?
Right, okay.
You're going to have to get over it. And I don't need you taunting her, okay?
Right.
That's not cute. Ma'am, all this attitude, you know, you guys really need to try to be friends and get along. Well, you don't necessarily have to be friends. You should try to get along, considering that this is your child with her husband, and that is your stepchild.
But instead of the father, a different woman stands up. His wife. The judge immediately questions why she's present. The answer? He's overseas building bridges in Gibraltar. An engineer, busy, important, earning big money. The courtroom energy shifts. This isn't about absence anymore. It's about priorities. If he's making serious income, why hasn't his son received consistent support? The wife claims she's here to handle the situation. The judge isn't impressed. Because this case isn't about her marriage. It's about a child who hasn't been financially acknowledged in 3 years.
I guess so.
You guess. No, that's what it is. So you two need to start trying to get along, and you need to get over yourself and stop being so mad.
Okay.
So, based on what he makes that you provided to the court, he's going to be paying child support. Did you know that by you showing up today and telling me how much he makes that he would have to pay?
That doesn't make any sense. Like, why? Like, he's already paying for me and my kids.
Oh.
And she should have been a better wife.
Oh.
I mean, I was
Excuse
giving
me?
him what she
How do you
couldn't.
know what type of wife that she was? Were you in their house? Yes or no?
No, well,
Yes, she was.
but-
Numbers start flying. The wife confirms he earns about $104,000 a year. The judge quickly calculates his monthly income. Over $8,000 gross. The courtroom goes silent. If he earns that much, what stopped him from paying? Then the tension turns personal. The wife reveals he cheated, now with the very mother in court. The emotional undercurrent explodes. Hurt, sarcasm, side comments. The judge shuts it down immediately. This is not therapy. This is accountability. Whatever happened between adults, a child should never suffer the consequences of betrayal.
When I wasn't there
What, you know,
in my
you know
bed
what?
and stuff.
The fact that
nasty.
you think that is even funny is not attractive at all. So, ma'am, he was served to be here today. He failed to show up. And unfortunately, he's going to have to be in default, which means that I can honor her request to make him pay child support. Please, don't look confused. It kills me when you come on here and you show up for him. This has obviously nothing to do with you, but you want to show up in his place and then look confused when he's ordered to pay child support based on what you submitted to the court. So, based on that $104,000, I have his gross at $8,666.67.
The judge brings focus back to responsibility. Whether they like each other or not, they share a connection through that child. The wife's attitude begins to irritate the court. Taunts, smirks, subtle digs. The judge reminds them, this is about co-parenting, not competition. A stepmother stands in the room arguing against support for her husband's son. The optics aren't good. The judge makes it clear, emotions don't cancel obligations. Marriage doesn't erase fatherhood, and being upset doesn't reduce a child's needs. The temperature in the room keeps rising.
Net of $6,525.63. Who pays health insurance for
I
the child?
do.
How much do you pay?
For both of us, $300.
No, ma'am.
For him, $150.
Yes, for him only $150.
Yes,
He's
ma'am.
also going to be responsible for reimbursing that too. Make sure you relay that message to him when he finished building this so important bridge, okay? Okay, I have child support with the reimbursement for health insurance at the $150. I have that set at $1,112.53.
Wait, Judge.
Wait, you're looking real confused. What is it?
No, okay, so anytime she asks for money, he sends it. And I've seen him do it. And anytime he calls to come see his child with her, he's willing to go. But anytime he calls, she never picks up.
Because the father failed to appear, the judge moves toward default judgment. That means the court can grant child support without him defending himself. His income is calculated. Health insurance reimbursement is included. Final number, $1,012.53 per month. The wife looks stunned. She tries to argue that he sometimes sends money directly. The judge shuts it down. If it's not documented through court, it's considered a gift, not support. The message is clear. If he wanted credit, he should have shown up. Bridge building overseas doesn't override fatherhood at home.
He's like, where is he? Never hear from her. Like, he really does try.
That's the problem.
And
I
I
should
mean,
have to
Ask you a
call
question.
him.
Excuse me. You will not do that. You will not address her. You will address me.
Yes, ma'am.
So anything that he has given her directly is considered a gift. He doesn't get credit for that.
He needs to.
Well, he needed to be here as well, didn't he? But he thought the bridge building was more important.
Well, yeah, he has to support me and my family as well.
Right, but his son is also his family as well. So you might want to learn how to blend a family, okay?
Oh, I know how to blend.
Oh,
Is he
you
gonna
know
make
what? Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
The wife insists he tries to see his son. The mother says otherwise. Accusations fly. The judge demands order. You address the court, not each other. At the heart of this chaos is a 6-year-old boy who didn't choose any of this. The ruling stands. Support is ordered. Case dismissed. And the lesson? Responsibility can't be outsourced. If you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. For brand sponsorship inquiries, contact arhabshahid8@gmail.com. More real courtroom documentaries are coming. And trust me, the next one is even wilder.